Welcome to Consumer Pick. The best compartment containers is probably one of the most versatile and essential organizational tools you can bring into your home or workspace, offering a smart solution to decluttering and keeping your small items neatly separated and easily accessible. Whether you're dealing with craft supplies, hardware, office essentials, or even snacks, these containers provide a dedicated spot for everything, preventing the dreaded jumble and saving you precious time searching for what you need. Imagine a world where every tiny screw, bead, or paperclip has its own place, ready to be grabbed at a moment's notice. That's the magic these organizers bring to your life. Number 5. ArtBin 6990 So Super Satchel Double Deep Box. This storage solution offers extra depth for your larger, bulkier craft supplies. You can customize the interior with up to 8 removable compartments for versatile organization. It features a sturdy, comfortable handle for easy transport. 2 snap-tight latches keep your items securely stored during any journey. This unit is designed to fit within the ArtBin Super Satchel Cube and can accommodate various trays. All models in this line are stackable for efficient storage. Its translucent plastic construction allows you to easily see what's inside. This makes finding your supplies quick and convenient. Measuring 15.25 by 14 by 6.25 inches, this case is made in the USA. It features a clear body with stylish gold-colored latches and handle. What we like? This container offers extra depth for bulkier items. Its customizable compartments and stackable system make it incredibly versatile. If you have large craft supplies or need a modular storage solution, this is a great choice. What people say? The containers are stackable and save space. The compartments are adjustable and can be customized to fit different items. The lids snap on securely, keeping the contents safe and preventing spills. Number 4. 32 ounces 2 compartment meal prep containers with lids, 50 pack. Introducing our 50 pack of 32 ounces, 2 compartment meal prep containers. They are designed to make your meal preparation simple and convenient, keeping your food fresh and organized. Our containers feature a leak-proof and airtight seal, ensuring your meals stay securely contained. This means no more messy spills during your commute or travels. Perfect for work, travel, or restaurant takeout, these containers are suitable for both hot and cold meals. You can pack anything from salads to leftovers with ease. Crafted from high-quality, food-grade PP plastic, they are BPA-free and built to last. They can withstand a wide range of temperatures, from freezer to microwave. With a stackable and lightweight design, storage is a breeze. Plus, they are dishwasher safe for effortless cleaning, making them a reusable and eco-friendly choice. We stand by the quality of our meal prep containers. If you encounter any issues, our customer service team is ready to assist you with a hassle-free solution. What we like? These containers are designed for convenient meal prep and easy reheating. Their leak-proof seal and dual compartments are perfect for separating meals. If you're looking for a cost-effective, durable solution for packing lunches or takeout, this bulk pack is ideal. What people say? The containers are stackable and fit perfectly in my pantry. The compartments are adjustable, allowing for customization of different sized items. They are made of durable, clear plastic, so I can easily see what's inside. Number 3. Juvale Jewelry Organizer Box, 3-pack. Introducing our versatile storage solution, perfect for keeping your small items organized. It's ideal for beads, earrings, and more, serving as a great jewelry and compartment organizer. With removable dividers, you can adapt the storage to fit various items. This makes it perfect for crafting enthusiasts, functioning as both a craft and jewelry storage organizer. Measuring just 1.7 by 10.75 by 7 inches, this storage case is designed for easy transport and space saving. It's an excellent choice for organizing beads or earrings. Constructed from sturdy plastic, it features a snap-tight latch for reliable protection. It ensures your items remain safe, whether used for crafts or hardware. This stackable organizer is perfect for those on the go, providing easy access to your essentials anywhere. It adapts to your needs, whether for jewelry or tools. What we like? This organizer provides a high number of small compartments for tiny items. Its customizable dividers allow for flexible storage of jewelry or small craft supplies. If you need to organize a large quantity of small, similar items and want them easily accessible, this is the perfect solution. What people say. The containers are stackable and save space. They are sturdy and durable, made of high-quality plastic. The compartments are adjustable, allowing for customization of storage space. Number 2. DUOFIRE 18 Grids White Organizer Box, 2-pack. Discover the perfect way to organize your small items. This versatile container is ideal for everything from jewelry and beads to hardware and tools. No more searching. The clear design lets you easily see all your belongings at a glance, so you can find what you need quickly. Crafted from high-quality, durable PP-grade material, this organizer is built for long-lasting use. It's safe, hygienic, and won't easily deform. Need more space for some items? You can easily adjust the dividers to create anywhere from 3 to 18 compartments, fitting your specific needs perfectly. Measuring 8.86 by 4.72 by 1.18 inches, it's designed to fit neatly into your space. The adjustable compartments offer flexibility for various item sizes. This pack includes 2 white organizer boxes, each with 18 adjustable grids. It's the practical solution you've been looking for to declutter your life. What we like? With adjustable dividers, you can create up to 18 compartments per box. This set of 2 offers great value for organizing various small items. If you need flexible storage for a mix of small accessories, like jewelry or hardware, and want to see everything at a glance, this is a practical option. What people say. The containers are stackable and save space. The compartments are adjustable and can be customized to fit different items. They are made of durable, clear plastic, making it easy to see the contents. Number 1. Vidifor 12 Grids Large Plastic Craft Storage Container. Introducing the Vidifor 12 Grids Large Plastic Craft Storage Container. It's designed to bring order to your various collections and supplies. The box measures 8.85 L x 7.08 W x 2.2 H, with individual grid sizes of 2.05 x 2.05 x 2.05. This ensures ample space for all your items. Crafted from food-grade PP plastic, this organizer is both environmental and non-toxic. Its translucent gray design adds a touch of style. This versatile container is perfect for storing jewelry, crafts, electronics, hardware, and much more. Keep your small items neatly sorted and accessible. The removable dividers allow you to customize the compartments. This feature is especially useful for accommodating larger items by adjusting the neighboring grids. Whether it's for sewing arts, washi tape, batteries, or electronic parts, this storage box is the ideal solution. It keeps everything organized and easy to find. What we like? This container features larger grid sizes and adjustable dividers, making it suitable for a variety of items. Its durable, translucent design allows for easy identification of contents. If you're storing slightly larger craft supplies, electronics, or hardware and need a robust, adaptable organizer, this is a solid pick. What people say. The containers are stackable and save a lot of space. They are perfect for organizing small items like screws, beads, or craft supplies. The compartments are adjustable, allowing for customization based on item size. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.